If you're new to mechanical keyboards, welcome. There are three types of mechanical keyboards: the tactile, the linear, and what I prefer, the clicky. In this video, we will listen to how they sound and how they feel when I press them. Why do we need to hear how they sound, you ask? Because some of these can disturb your neighbors in the middle of the night as you type the next great novel. Other than that reason, they just sound nice to me. This feels bumpy, but in a good way. You are aware that you activated the switch underneath the keycap. They are loud too, sometimes, but they're not enough to wake your neighbors up. How can I describe this one? Have you ever tapped your finger on a wooden table? You did? That's how it feels. There's no tactility to it. The only typing feel you're gonna get is the bottom out of the switch. But among the three types of keyboards, or switches for the keyboard enthusiasts out there, this keyboard is the lightest to type on. I don't feel the strain of prolonged typing when I'm using this one. I love this feeling. I'm a 90s kid, and one of the joys of a kid back then is the glorious bubble wrap. I popped those, and I popped those a lot. So it's not a surprise why I love typing on clickies. They feel like that. They feel nostalgia for me. And most of all, this keyboard is the most tactile. I feel like I'm actually writing when I'm using it. But this will make your neighbors call the cops on you. Yes, my friend, this keyboard is the loudest. It causes divorces. If you bring this to your office, it causes unemployment. If you bring this to the cemetery, the dead will rise up to stop you from typing. So, if you choose this one, find a basement and lock yourself in there and type. enjoy, and write. It's not a fidget toy, but it should be.